In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video on CapCut PC without losing quality. Let's get started right from the CapCut desktop app. First, open CapCut. If you're starting fresh, create a new project. If you've already been working on something, go ahead and open your recent project. Once your project loads, you'll see your clips, audio, and any text or effects arranged on the timeline and in the preview. This simply confirms that you're in the right place and ready to export with the best settings for smaller file sizes. Now look to the top right corner of the interface and click the export icon. This opens the export window where all the compression magic happens. We'll make a few targeted adjustments here to reduce file size while keeping visual quality strong. Set the resolution to 1080p. This full HD setting is a sweet spot for clarity and compatibility. If your original footage is higher resolution, bringing it to 1080p typically cuts a lot of data while still looking great on most screens. If your project is already 1080p, keeping it there avoids unnecessary upscaling or downscaling. Next, lower the bitrate. The bitrate controls how much data is used per second of video. Lowering it reduces the file size, but if you go too low, you might see blocky artifacts or softness. Adjust it downward gradually and keep an eye on the estimated file size. The goal is to find a balance where that number drops noticeably while quality remains clean. For the codec, choose H.264. This is the most widely supported option and pairs perfectly with our goal of a smaller, reliable file that plays smoothly across devices and platforms. Set the format to MP4. It's a standard efficient container that works virtually everywhere and complements H.264 very well. Set the frame rate to 30 FPS. This is a standard choice for web and general use, and it typically produces smaller files than higher frame rates. If your timeline was originally higher, 30 FPS will reduce motion data and help shrink the size without a dramatic hit to perceived quality for most content types. As you make these changes, look below for the duration and the projected file size. You should see that size number adjust downward with each setting tweak. That live estimate is your quick confirmation that the compression is working as intended. And that is how to compress video on CapCut PC without losing quality. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.